Lily Coney, a legislative director specializing in technology policy in the U.S. House of Representatives, replied, "It is not the large things that will make AI acceptable. It will be the small things, portable devices that can aid a person or organization in accomplishing desired outcomes well. AI embedded into everyday technology that proves to save time, energy, and stress that will push consumer demand for it." J.P. Rangaswamy, chief scientist for Salesforce.com, wrote, "Traditional agriculture and manufacturing will both be affected quite heavily, with AI and robotics having greater roles to play at scale, while high-touch retro boutiques will exist for both sectors. Service sector impact will continue to be lower in relative terms. Knowledge or information worker sector impact, on the other hand, will be transformational." Mark Prensky, director of the Global Future Education Foundation and Institute, wrote, "The penetration of AI in robotics will be close to 100% in many areas. It will be similar to the penetration of cell phones today. Over 2/3 of the world now have and use them daily." Nilüfer Merchant, author of a book on new forms of advantage, wrote, "Let me put it this way. My son, who is 10, doesn't think he needs to learn to drive or do grocery shopping because he says he'll just click something to arrive. All the fundamentals of life can and will be automated, from driving to grocery shopping. Chores effectively disappear in terms of time consumption." A Syracuse University professor and associate dean for research wrote, "Robots and AI are moving beyond simple rules into framed judgment spaces. There will be several spectacular failures to give voice to the dystopian seers and so many subtle impacts. I see them in public transport, long-distance driving, traffic routing, and car-to-car interactions. I also see them moving into the built environment through post-market sensor networks, reflecting energy monitoring, maintenance for household appliances, and supporting more distributed education. My expectation is that much of medicine will be in the midst of a transformation based on better sensors tied to more powerful analytics." David Clark, a senior research scientist at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, noted that AI is already a part of daily life for many users. High methods and techniques are already part of the ordinary landscape. The problem with the term AI is that it is constantly redefined to describe things we don't yet know how to do well with computers. Things like speech recognition like Siri, image recognition, face recognition in consumer cameras, and the like used to be hard-to-high problems. As they become practical commercial offerings, they spin off as their own disciplines.